Hello everyone, this is Steve with the Free Bullion Investment Guide. Today is August 24th, and I'm doing a review and outlook price analysis video for gold. This is gold's 4-hour chart, and to quickly go over last week's video, first I shown you this ascending channel. Gold clearly is still trading inside of it and will likely continue to trade inside of it for several more weeks, I would say, at the very least. I also showed you this rising wedge. It was confirmed to the downside early in the week, around the 19th of last week, which was, I think, around Monday. Yeah, Monday it fell down through it, confirming it, and the price didn't fall too much more. It mostly just did a sideways movement. It more so took on the look of a bull flag as it moved, and then it jumped higher as we saw yesterday, which was Friday the 23rd. And it jumped on two reasons, and they're both really obvious. One is the escalation of the trade war. China threw more tariffs at us yesterday, and Trump came out with some tweets that weren't so diplomatic. And also, we had Jerome Powell come out, and traders basically stated, or they interpret his speech as being one that will be accommodative. They're looking for a rate cut, another one, in the at their next meeting on September 17th and 18th. I as well am expecting another rate cut, and would be very surprised if it isn't larger than what people think, but we'll really have to see what happens on that. As far as an outlook for the US dollar, for gold, I'm not showing any new patterns. And I really kind of think we're going to continue to see the price of gold move higher. I expect to see another, I'm not going to show anything in specific right now besides the ascending channel, but I expect to see another bull flag, and then another rise to the upside. And will likely break 1535 next week. There are a few things on the economic calendar that we'll have to pay attention to. One is a GDP revision. If it comes out below 1.8%, it'll be a positive for gold. If it comes out above 1.8%, it'll be a negative for gold. And also consumer spending. Consumer spending drives the U.S. economy. So if it comes out below forecast of 0.5%, then that will be a positive for gold, and if it comes out above, then that will be a negative for gold. But we'll also want to pay attention to what anything new comes out of the trade war, and it likely, if there are any Fed governors having speeches next week, or if they just come out and throw out their 2 cents one way or the other on Bloomberg or CNBC or Fox Business or wherever, that'll likely also move the markets as well. So again, for the outlook for gold, I expect to continue moving up. This is just me showing another bull flag. I'll just leave it there to see what happens next week. And we have resistance at 1535. It's likely we'll move up above that. And to show you resistance above 1535, I have to pan out to this is multi-year chart, 5-year chart, but this is the daily chart. We also have resistance at 1555, and above that at 1615. So we'll really have to pay attention to what happens in the news next week, and to see where gold goes from here. But everything's looking up for gold right now, so I expect it to stay within the ascending channel, and we're likely going to see more bull flags in the making as it rises. So that's it for this week's review and outlook for gold. I thank you for your time. Take care, and God bless.